Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna be renewing your license plate right here. So let me just show you the link. So this is the official link, ontario.ca plate reminder. So that's gonna take you right here and you can go ahead and just click on renew your plate on the left hand side. So if you scroll down, it's gonna ask you exactly what you need. Just make sure you have this, your permit, and there's information here that you will need. Also make sure you have your insurance and go into your car and take a look at how many kilometers it's got. Once you have that information, come to this website to put all that in. But anyways, we're just gonna go on and click right here on the bottom right hand side. You're gonna see order now. Click on order now and then just put in this information. So has your address changed? You can say no, or if it has, put yes. Then vehicle information, your license plate number, then your permit number. And then once you do that, just click on the bottom right hand side, find vehicle. So once it finds your vehicle, you're gonna see this and you can choose your renewal. In this case, we're gonna go on and select 2-year, but you can also go on for just the 1 year. Now keep in mind that this is supposed to say $0. It's not supposed to cost you anything. Again, that is unless you have something going on like fines or any outstanding tolls. So that would be different. If you keep scrolling down, you're gonna see this information here. And just putting how many kilometers. Once you put in your kilometers, just keep going down. And here it's gonna say delivery address. You can put address on file, or you can specify another delivery address. We're just gonna go on with address on file. And on the bottom right hand side of your screen, you're gonna see add to my order. Just click there. Once you do so, just keep scrolling down unless you have another license plate to renew, so you can add another one. But if you don't, just keep scrolling down and put all your contact information. First name, last name, email, confirm your email, your phone number, extension if you have an extension. Keep scrolling down. Make sure you put a check mark right here on the left hand side. Then in the middle, you're gonna see checkout. Just click on checkout. All right, so once you're done, it's just gonna take you to this page. You're gonna see download. Send to another email if you want to, so you guys can download this confirmation. But just check your email. Might be in junk mail as well, so make sure to check that. And if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see renewal reminders, which you should sign up if you're not signed up already. And you can also register it to be an organ donor. That's up to you. You don't have to. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.